east side of the house. Valen is going to, oh, that's Valen. He's going to talk about all the new things we've done and also the flowers that are blooming, and maybe he might talk about some of the pests we're dealing with too. Maybe start with this one.
Well, this is a Valentine bleeding heart that we just planted, and down there is the lily of the valley.
Yep, the lily of the valley is done flowering for the year. And what color is the bleeding heart?
It's a Valentine, which means it is red and white.
And it has little hearts, and it's really cute.
Yep.
It's just doing its thing.
This is a heuchera. Not sure what type it is, but all of the heucheras are flowering right now.
That is a marvelous marble. I'm guessing because of the marbled leaves and all the colors.
We have two veronicas, which are flowering right now. The rest of them aren't flowering.
These are the Skywalker, blue Skywalker.
This is a butterfly bush, and last year it was just a few sticks going out in random directions, and it didn't look much like a bush. Now it's finally starting to
Get bushy. The other one's a little bushier.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's because this one gets more shade. And
It's starting to have a flower.
there's a tiny one right there. And probably from there and there will grow more.
About to start blooming.
Philorrhiape looks full. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. It is. It's sprinkling right now. And we moved those two Veronicas from over there because we planted a new friend.
Planted a new double hollyhock, which is really big compared to the ones that we have right now, because the other ones keep getting eaten by bugs.
Yeah.
And there's a red spider on top of it. Something.
So yeah, we needed space for it, so we moved those two here, which will look nice, hopefully, if it ever ends up flowering. Those two took off. It'll be cool, it'll be like that, although they're different varieties. This one is Enchanted Indigo. These coral bells have flower spikes too, but they're not as long as the marvelous marble. These are the Dale's. Always get this wrong. I always want to call it Dale's Choice. I don't know, something like that. There's another Veronica and the peonies from our neighbor, and that one is just the same size.
This is a hosta that we planted last year, I think, and it's starting to have its first flower right there. There's a few more around it too.
Awesome.
And there's one of our other hollyhocks.
Yep, that's the one that I built the basket around. Which seems really narrow now that it's bigger, but I don't know, for some reason it's not taking off the, what would you say, like a foot tall right now?
These ones are?
That one, yeah.
Yeah, about
A foot tall, and it has some like
This one's probably 4 feet tall.
Damage from animals eating it. There's some new growth down there. But it's just not growing as fast as I thought it would. We just bought that one though already full size, so. This is our other butterfly bush, which has flowers beginning to grow. Here and here and here. This one's bushier than the other one.
This is a hydrangea. Do you know which type it is?
Yep, it's the little lime.
And there's little tiny flowers all over it.
Yep, today's the first day that we noticed it. All the flowers, but here they come.
Oh, this is starting to work.
I can't wait. I made a video about me pruning this. Remove this one because I want it to grow this way. And my camera was being a dodo brain and didn't record it, so lost that. That's okay. And it's totally raining. And
there is a thyme which just finished flowering a little while ago.
Yep, you can still see the little flowers. I wonder if we're supposed to deadhead it. I have no idea.
There's another heuchera.
Forget the variety, but it's awesome.
Yep.
It has like cream colored flowers. On like purple stalks.
This is the snowball bush, right?
Yep, it is a spirea.
And there's the other thing right there.
It already flowered in the spring, and now it just has these little leftovers, and I can't imagine having to deadhead it because they're all over. But I will if I have to. The Artemisia is nice. It's not as big as the other ones on the other side of the house. Maybe because it gets too much shade.
This is a... I keep forgetting the name.
Me too. Hibiscus.
Yeah.
Hibiscus we got from Jared's mom. Now has buds too. Why are you watering right now?
Clean this bucket so that we can see how much rain we get.
Okay.
I don't want any dirt.
Okay, but he does not care about me. No, he cares. I need my other lens that's closer. Yes, bunny, eat all of the clover, not my garden. I think Bunny lives in there.
Look at him. I'm going to be trimming down last year's branches from the blackberry and the 2 raspberries. And all the way to the bottom, trying not to sniff off any babies. Keep that for later.
Okay.
Here you go. It's the blackberry.
That's it. And this is all new. Okay, and then...
Whoa. So one gooseberry got eaten though.
Oh wow, it's red.
And here's a whole new plant right here.
Yeah. I think that one was like this. And it just started rooting. Yeah, see, you can see the roots right here.
This one too. It's so cool.
The red currant is finally red. But okay, so wait. Which raspberry is this? Do you remember the name?
I think this is the Latham, or yeah, maybe. You have the name tag somewhere. Yeah. And that one Carolina, maybe?
Maybe.
Might be the other way around.
So these are new raspberries. Look, that one's already changing color.
I think these are the old ones, actually. Right?
Really? No.
Yeah, it's from the old ones, so we're gonna have to cut it off.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too bad, but...
They're like not dry at all. Oh yeah, firefly. Hello, Mr. Firefly.
Oh, there's a snail right there.
Or
Slug.
Mrs. Where do you see the slug?
Right there.
You slug. Where is it? Oh yeah, I see it.
Evil slug.
Gross. Which one are you cutting?
The brown ones, and I always feel bad doing these because like, this one has leaves and everything, but it's not gonna have any raspberries, and it's just gonna take up the light for the ones that are.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put Mr. Slug on there so that I don't have to hold him anymore.
This branch is really big.
Okay.
Oh, this one has raspberries on it.
Maybe cut it higher.
Down to here.
Okay. That looks good.
Yeah. Looks fresh.
Yeah. Let's see the raspberries. So you didn't cut those even though it was growing off of an old piece. Yep, this is a whole separate plant. And same with that one. Okay, and now which one was this?
Carolina, I believe. This only has one branch and grass.
I haven't done any mulching for these. Have I? Or maybe I did.
Well, this, but not this year.
That's it?
That was easy.
Okay, cool.
We can use these to make the cages so that they're a little bit sharper.
True. Okay, anything here? These have growth on the old branches.
Yeah. I haven't read too much about blueberries though.
This blueberry is...
Pink lemonade raspberry. I mean, no, pink lemonade.
You could probably cut this off because there's nothing growing from it except below that spot.
You think I should?
Yeah. See, like, don't cut those little leaves though. Yeah. Okay.
It's an art piece.
That has like bark. This is bark. Oh yeah, art. And you could cut this piece off and this piece.
Are you sure it's good for it?
Well, it's not, it's dead, I think. Yeah. Okay, and here.
Whoa.
And here.
That too.
Isn't that interesting though? Look at the bark.
It's peeling off.
Yeah, that's pretty thick.
Yeah. Just stuck the whole stick underground.
I would cut these off.
That too?
Sure. This is the Blue Jay blueberry. Looks like it doesn't need any trimming.
Oops.
Oh, it's starting to rain. Feel it sprinkling. Let's grab this stuff and Mr. Sluggo. Where is he? Uh-oh. Do you see him?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
Okay. Don't cut him.
I'm not.
Okay. He's in trouble.
Oh. Crawl into the hip.
So we've been having this problem with our pansies. and peonies. This is a peony. And these are the pansies. So you can see they're completely eaten. And they're definitely getting enough water. They're definitely getting enough fertilizer. Obviously, it's something's eating them. And also, the hydrangea has spots like that on it, and a bunch of leaves are turning yellow and they just kind of fall off, and there's nothing on them. But then we noticed these little tiny things, and they look like some kind of a pod. And then when we look closer, we realized inside this open one, there's little tiny slugs. And there's one on this heuchera leaf right there. They're tiny. They don't even look like animals. They look like little tiny pebbles or something. Yeah. That is what's doing all this damage, I think. It looks like they're mushrooms growing from the ground. Yeah, looks like a mushroom. But in there are the babies. Oh yeah, you can see even more in there. So we're gonna get rid of those. This mixture of neem oil, dish soap, and water in here. And before I do anything else, I'm gonna see if this works on getting rid of the slugs. Just gonna pump it and spray it straight on the little pods. There's some down here. And I'm just gonna spray around in case they're everywhere else too. This stuff is safe to spray on your plants too. And you spray it on top and under the leaves. The laundry detergent is organic and clear. Try to get underneath too. Okay, that's probably enough. I guess I'll spray this too. And underneath. Probably not a good idea to do this on a sunny day. It's kind of been raining on and off today, so if it rains again, it's gonna wash all this off, so I'll have to reapply. Just gonna do this part of it. Okay. So the little slugs are soaking in the neem oil mixture. Sorry, little guys.